Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what is considered the best copy paper available. A 5 Ream Case of Amazon Basics multi-purpose copy printer paper. If you're searching for reliable, high-quality paper for your home or office needs, this product might just be what you need. This pack includes 2,500 sheets of 8.5 by 11-inch letter-sized paper, making it perfect for everyday printing tasks. Whether you use a laser printer, inkjet, copier, or fax machine, this multi-purpose paper is designed to perform consistently across all these devices. The paper weighs 20 pounds, which strikes a great balance, not too thin, not too thick, ensuring smooth feeding through your printer and preventing those frustrating paper jams. One of the standout features of this Amazon Basics copy paper is its bright white finish. With a brightness rating of 92 on the GE scale, it offers excellent contrast, allowing your text and images to pop on the page. This brightness level not only improves readability but also gives your documents a professional, crisp appearance. Plus, it dries quickly, which is a bonus when you're printing large volumes or using toner-heavy documents. The texture of the paper is smooth, contributing to consistent ink and toner distribution. This means your prints will come out clean and sharp, whether you're printing important reports, presentations, or everyday documents. Another advantage is that this paper is acid-free, so it resists yellowing over time, keeping your documents looking fresh and vibrant for years. As for dimensions, the case measures about 11.5 by 8.75 by 10.25 inches and weighs just under 25 pounds. This makes it compact enough to store easily in most office spaces while offering a generous quantity to meet high-volume printing demands without constant restocking. Virgin fibers are used in the manufacturing of this paper, which means it's made from fresh, high-quality materials rather than recycled ones. This ensures strong sheets that won't easily tear or crumble, enhancing the overall print experience. Whether you're printing black and white documents or color graphics, the Amazon Basics multi-purpose copy printer paper delivers consistent, reliable results. It's a versatile choice that suits both professional environments and home offices, making it a great all-around product for various printing needs. To sum up, if you want a dependable copy paper that balances quality, brightness, and price, this 5 Ream Case from Amazon Basics is definitely worth considering. It offers smooth performance, professional-looking prints, and a large volume of sheets that will keep your printer running smoothly for a long time. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more honest product insights.